Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming software and account parity because mismatched versions or ID block sync. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone, then open the Watch app. Place the Apple Watch next to the phone so the automatic pairing prompt appears. This saves time versus manual setup. Follow the on-screen animation to align the viewfinder. Make sure you accept prompts to restore from a backup if you want prior wallet cards transferred. This sets the foundation. Next, you add cards to wallet on the Apple Watch through the Watch app. This step moves payment methods from phone to wrist. Once you tap Wallet and Apple Pay, choose Add Card, then use the camera or type numbers in, either works. After entry, the bank requires verification to approve the card on the watch. Complete their SMS or app challenge. This step matters because it authorizes contactless payments and secures transactions independently on the watch. Finally, verify that your added cards show in the watch wallet and then test with a small purchase or a contactless reader. This confirms end-to-end functionality. Make sure wrist detection and a watch passcode are enabled because Apple Pay requires them for security. If adding or verification fails, power cycle the Apple Watch and iPhone, then retry. Often a restart clears Bluetooth or network glitches. If problems persist, remove the card and add it again, or contact your card issuer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.